Looking for a reliable backup camera that delivers clear, colorful images? The upgraded 1080 PhD reversing camera kit uses analog high-definition technology to give you crisp visuals that make parking and reversing safer. It's designed to work with a wide range of vehicles, from trucks and RVs to trailers and motorhomes. This camera system supports a voltage range from 12 to 36 volts DC, making it a perfect fit for larger vehicles that demand more power. Whether you drive a pickup, bus, or van, you'll get consistent performance without worrying about compatibility issues or power shortages. One standout feature is the dual video input on the monitor. You can connect two cameras simultaneously, maybe a rear-view mirror camera plus a license plate camera for your pickup. The system also lets you flip images horizontally or vertically, so you get the exact view you need every time. Worried about night driving? The camera comes with 8 LED lights and a wide 150-degree viewing angle to provide super clear images even in low light. Plus, it meets the IP69 waterproof standard, so it's built to withstand harsh weather and temperature extremes from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation couldn't be simpler. The camera and monitor connect directly through a 66-foot 4-pin video cable, requiring just one power source. You can easily hook it up to your vehicle's fuse box, cigarette lighter, or power point without complicated wiring or extra parts. Customers rave about this system, saying it outperforms models costing 6 times as much. It's a wired setup, which means stable, lag-free video, ideal if you want reliable, consistent backup visuals. Plus, the company backs it with a 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support, so help is always available. If you're considering an upgrade for your truck or RV, this backup camera kit is worth a look. It combines durability, clear image quality, and user-friendly installation, all at a price that makes sense. You get more value without sacrificing performance or features. Ready to improve your vehicle's safety and convenience? Try the upgraded 1080 PhD backup camera kit when you're ready. It's a smart choice that brings peace of mind every time you hit the road.